In front of me is Motorola Moto G54 Power, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by locating and opening Recorder app. Now before starting recording, click this gear at the top right corner and manage all of those options however you want to. Then hit OK at the bottom right corner to save your changes. When you finished, go back. Now click on this red button at the bottom to start recording. You can pause it or unpause it using the same one. If you wish to end it and save it, click on this square on the right. Then name your recording however you want to at the top. And to delete it right away, choose Delete at the bottom left corner. And to save it, hit Save at the bottom right one. As you can see, my recording is over here. To play it, click on it. To delete it though, you need to hold it instead. Click on this bin at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!